So hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video let's do another 4D winning combination or winning formula by trying this method. So here are the winning combination last May 24, 25, May 24, 23, and last Wednesday May 20. So I take these three winning numbers so that we can find out or try to find out how they take the numbers, where they take the numbers. So example, and once last Wednesday May 20, here are the winning combination. I take only the first prize, second prize, and third prize. So as you see here guys, the winning number last May 23 Saturday is are 217637571899. So based on the winning combination last May 20, let's find out how they take those numbers. So example, this, as you see guys, 99, they take again here 99, and also at yesterday, which is 99, three times they use the 99 numbers, as well as this 76. You see, 76, 76, and there is 77 there. As you see, there is 277 also here at the middle. So okay, let's see how they take this 1899. So from this number, I think they copy this. Maybe they just copy 99. Okay, and copy 99, and then they add this number 9 plus 9, 18. That's why they take this number 1899, which is the third prize. Okay, or possible they copy also this 76 from here. Okay, 76, and then they add 7 plus 6, 13, right? Okay, 3 minus 1 is 2, and then they simply copy 1 here. So they take this number 2176. Okay, or from here, as you see guys, they take this, the first prize from here, from this, you see guys, 77, right? The winning combination here is 7758, the first prize. So possible they take from here 7758, right? 7758, or this one, 2, the right is there, 28, you see, from here, say 1 plus 7 is 8, right? And then this one, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 7, 8 minus 1 is 7. See, from that number, right? So again guys, this is only try and try error. Let's do another formula next time. Let's do it again. If we can find out or the answer from here is really work. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Thank you guys. Good luck.